Once you have a big pile of this and you don't have anything to do with it, this is a rule of money. If you do not give this a job, it'll get bored and it'll leave. And it leaves in multiple different ways. It leaves through inflation, it leaves through poor spending habits, and it leaves through poor decisions, but it'll leave. And I know that through experience, because at one point in time, I did make this the goal, and I achieved getting quite a few of these. And I look at it now, well, where are those now? Well, a lot of them left. I made some really stupid decisions, some very, very bad buys, and as a result, they all left. And then inflation gobbled up the rest of it. So of that amount of money that I was able to accumulate, how much of it do I have left now? And the answer, realistically, is probably none. All of that original money that came in that it didn't have a goal and I didn't put it to work, it's all gone. That's the way that it works. And so the ultimate investment that a person can make, this is truly the ultimate investment, is the investment into this. So if there was a class that I could take for 20 bucks that was conducive to the achievement of my goal, or I could take the same 20 bucks and go, I don't drink anymore, but I used to. I could take the same 20 bucks and I could actually go down to the bar and just get completely just totally annihilated on 20 bucks. Well, which is more effective? Which is better? One is something that I really want to do, as a recovering alcoholic. I would like to take this $20 and go down to the bar. I mean, not now, but in the past. I'd like to take this $20 and go down to the bar and use it, for something that's completely non-constructive. It's destructive, actually. But the way that I look at it now is that if I can take the same $20 and turn it into a piece of knowledge, I can take that piece of knowledge and turn it into $1 million, because that's how it all works.